Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup to the Google One on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup option here, and as you can see we will be automatically transferred to the Google account and actually the Google one. So let's tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation. Of course, you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it, as you can see. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course we can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap here to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, will also store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. So all we have to do is to simply tap on turn on now, and again we've been transferred to the backup section. So for example, here you can check how much space you've got left and how much you can still use. You can of course manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary data. Here you've got the backup details, so which sections has been backed up already, and here we've got the advanced settings, and there's only one option, and I highly recommend to keep it turned off. Because thanks to this your device will back up the data only by using the Wi-Fi instead of using the, for example, mobile data for which you can be charged. So remember about that, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on backup now. And basically that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.